Thank you very much, Chairperson. You see, some of us don't know English properly. You see, some of us don't know English properly.
Hong, Hong, Hong.
You see, some of us don't know English properly.
Hong, 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 Hong. Hong, Hong, Hong.
What I'm putting to you is,
Hong, 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 Hong.
I'm going to withdraw this truth from the House.
Hong, Hong, Hong.
Now,
It's not a truth.
now.
It's not a truth.
Hong, 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 Hong. Hong, Hong, Hong.
Let that
Honorable Madisa.
Yes,
Hong, Hong, Hong.
Honorable Madisa.
Hong, Hong.
Honorable
that's
Madisa.
the only thing that you know.
Honorable Madisa.
Yes, thank you.
Honorable
But moving us to
Madisa, you have actually exhausted your time. Thank you very much.
Honorable Chairperson. Hong, Hong, Hong.
hell with you.